Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Dreams by Molly Hatchet on guitar. We'll begin by tackling the iconic main riff. This riff is primarily in the key of G major and requires a clean guitar tone with just a touch of reverb to capture that classic sound. Pay close attention to your timing and articulation, as the arpeggiated chords are crucial for the song's feel. Practice slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed. Next, let's dive into the verse chords and their progression. The verses follow a straightforward G, C, D, G chord sequence, making it accessible for many players. Your strumming should be light and focused on supporting the vocal melody, rather than overpowering it. There are also some subtle rhythmic variations in the background guitar that add depth, so listen carefully to the original track to catch those nuances. Consistency is key here. Now for the exciting part, the guitar solo. This solo primarily utilizes the G major pentatonic and G blues scales, offering a fantastic opportunity to work on your lead playing. Focus on incorporating expressive bends and a smooth vibrato to give your notes character and emotion. Break the solo down into smaller, manageable licks and practice each one until it feels natural. Then, gradually link them together to build the full solo. Finally, let's talk about the overall dynamics and feel of Dreams. The song features important dynamic shifts, moving from softer verses to more powerful choruses and solos. Maintaining a consistent tempo is vital for the song's flow, so using a metronome or a backing track during practice will greatly help. Aim for a cohesive performance that captures the emotional journey of this classic rock anthem. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.